lot better, I think, in my opinion, Tim Blay. I don't know how you're going to feel about it, though.
Song now, but before we do that, we'd like to plug one more sponsor this week. We got
Geico. A store for the little boys. That's always, like, very concerning to me. Every time Tom, like, does the little boys voice, it thoroughly disturbs me. Makes me cringe inside. Don't tell him I said that, because it's actually kind of funny. So we can either film you just doing math and then switch it to see me doing the book, or we can do a little bit of both.
I think that'd be the easiest, just math, then whatever book things you want to do.
Okay.
Sadly, that's mostly like you're going to be doing work on post and to fall things in, but...
It's just a really awkward transition, like suddenly math and then suddenly I'm reading a book.
Well, that's why I was wondering if you had a shot that was from back here to see student Kindle desk, Matt.
Oh, that might be an idea. See, kids, this is why you should work with someone who is not arts related, because they see things that you don't.
The only thing is, when you do it from this shot, you're going to have to angle it, maybe, so you don't see awkward chairs.
Oh, I don't.
Or you can just like
I take pride in my MacGyver. Yeah, let's just appreciate that, like, this setup we have right now with the chairs was my idea. And then, but the framing was that, so we just switched.
Well, that's kinematics right there.
Kindle, insert a text that goes kinematics.
Kinematics.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're filming the trailer. I wanted to also point out we are both not at 100% right now whatsoever.
I'm doing much better than her, though.
Yeah, I've been fighting allergies and sinus things since Friday. I hope you appreciate what I'm doing for you. Oh, yeah, you're guys gonna put the book down. We can take the Canadian book with one hand and this book in the other, but you're not gonna, like...
I'm not gonna just slam it down in your face.
Physics!
Actually, that'd be kind of... No, that's too destructive.
That
as fun as that would be.
There's no need for... Like, we're already having all these, like, unnecessary references anyway.
I think it would look better, because that means I'm just so done with you, there's no anger.
Cha!
It's just...
Yeah.
Like the third time. And it's 30 minutes.
And you mean this 45 seconds that we're...
It's gonna be the third time in 35 seconds. Because they list that your gas escape, or your soul escape.
And then un petit mort.
Un petit mort.
Yeah, a little death.
That is something entirely different.
That's the exact same thing. Listen to the Upward Discussion podcast where they mention it. It's exactly the same thing.
It's the
Shout out to Upward Discussion one time.
Same concept, a completely different thing going on.
No, it's the release of something.
You can't see it, but I'm giving her a look.
Let's not. Oh gosh, let's raise that frame up. I was kind of hoping that Tim's degree was not needed in this.
It's not. His is Masters of Theoretical. This is high school to entry college level theoretical physics.
So, theoretically, Tim's master's is irrelevant.
Yes.
In theory.
In theory?
You see when he has to work with people?
Just slouch. And you're like... You would definitely get views. Jew.
I don't think I've ever really explained the nickname. I think people think Kenny with an I, or Kenny has eyes, which is the side channel, is because I'm Asian. I think that's literally what people think.
I never made that connection.
Oh, I did. So basically, in the shot with the trailer, you see me with my Canadian history book, which I actually was reading in real life, and Matt rolls into the shot and takes my book and replaces it with the physics book, and it's a direct reference to Tim, and it's the Higgs book, which is in reference to his first video, rolling into Higgs.
I almost want to keep that in. I was like, are these your notes? Screw this.
I was like, I met a new friend. Is it a guy? Yes. Why? I'm not in charge of that.
Why'd you make him a guy? Why'd you make your friend a guy? It's so unnecessary.
We basically found Tim's thesis, which he put online when he put enrolling in the Higgs, and there's a scene where Matt is trying to teach me physics, and I fall asleep, and he tears a piece off of the paper and throws it at me.
I just like to point out two things. One, that it's that we actually have the very front page of the thesis, so you can see your name on it.
Yeah.
And when I tear it off, it's not the second page.
It's not. It's like page 63 or something like that. It's basically a diagram that we thought, like, maybe Tim will recognize this. Problem is...
Testing.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
But that's Timothy.
Timothy Blay. Blazing up.
No. Need to do. At least I know what I'm doing with V final is equal to V not plus A T. But I don't know what I'm doing after this because I'm just trying to talk to you and you're not listening. So I will rip this, bubble it up.
Okay, so in the attempt to do this really dumb gag of the thesis bit, sorry, Tim.
Sorry, not sorry.
I think I'm actually sorry for this one. So let's just, hold on. Okay, so what happened? Look at this.
But you still don't listen to me. So once again, I'm tossing more at you. It missed. Stop judging.
You know what's really funny? Is that we don't have any air going on right now.
It's built like a plane instead of a...
I believe in your aiming skills.
I do not believe in my aiming skill. Even if I knew the kinematics equations, I do not believe in my skills to properly do that in real time. Best I got. And then I could just do the... I need to read the other kinetics equations. So, a stupid little paper thing.
You got me that time.
Equal to, what is it? V not T. That one works.
No, I mean, pretend you're writing. Boy!
That's not what I want.
You know what's really dumb? Technically, I don't need to take this flag off.
Because they're both 6 foot?
Because it's already on a pole.
I measured that pole.
It's the same pole.
That's what I was saying, because it was 6 foot. You can...
I just need to put tapes on this pole, that's all.
If you got what you need from the camera angle and everything, then they're fine.
No, I literally need to change silks.